Understanding Undergoing Treatment, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in the English language: undergoing treatment. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, particularly in healthcare. Understanding it will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you comprehend discussions related to health and wellness. Let's dive in and learn about what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clarify its usage. Undergoing treatment refers to the process of receiving medical care for an illness, condition, or injury. The key word here is undergoing, which implies that the person is currently in the process of being treated. It's not a one-time action but a continuous or series of actions aimed at improving the person's health. This phrase can be used for both physical and mental health conditions. When using the phrase, undergoing treatment, it's important to understand that it conveys a sense of ongoing process. You can use it in different tenses depending on the context. Here are some examples. Present continuous tense, she is undergoing treatment for her allergies. Past continuous tense, he was undergoing treatment for his injury last year. Future continuous tense, they will be undergoing treatment for their condition next month. This phrase can be modified with adjectives to specify the type or intensity of the treatment, such as intensive treatment or routine treatment. To better understand how undergoing treatment can be used, let's look at some examples in different contexts. In a hospital setting, my grandfather is currently undergoing treatment for pneumonia in the hospital. In a mental health context, the patient has been undergoing treatment for depression for several months. In a rehabilitation context, after the accident, she started undergoing treatment at a physical rehabilitation center. These examples show the versatility of the phrase and how it can be applied to various health-related situations. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of undergoing treatment. Remember, this phrase is a valuable part of medical and health-related discussions in English, and knowing how to use it correctly can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language learning content. Stay healthy and keep learning.